What is up, guys? It's Alex here. I just wanted to make a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to withdraw your EGLD from your web wallet or Maiar app into Binance and then cash out to your bank account. I chose Binance because it's the biggest centralized exchange and has an open, trusted collaboration with Elrond network. So the first step would be to have your EGLD unstaked, ready in your web or Maiar wallet. We're gonna move on to our Binance account. From here, we will initiate the process. Go to your wallet overview and click on deposit. Here we are going to stay in the crypto tab and then select EGLD. Choose the Elrond EGLD network, which by the way works for transactions from Maiar app as well. Here we only need to copy our unique address required to be able to send the EGLD from the Elrond wallet to our Binance wallet. Now once you copied your own address, we will go back to the web wallet and make the transaction. From the left section, click on Send. Paste your address and choose the desired amount of EGLD to withdraw. Then click on Send and confirm the transaction after you make sure it's the correct address and value. Now wait for the transaction to be processed, and as you can see, it already removed the EGLD from my wallet. It will take up to 10 minutes until you will see the sent EGLD into your Binance wallet, so don't panic. And here it is. 3 juicy EGLDs ready to be sold. As you can notice, I chose a great time to save the screenshots for this video and was really inspired to sell the EGLD at its all-time high at $530 per EGLD. Just click on it and here you will want to select a stable coin such as USDT or BUSD to convert your assets into. I will go with USDT. Now here you want to go to Sell tab because we are selling the EGLD in exchange for USDT, so make sure you don't confuse this part. I switched from limit to market, which means I'm willing to sell at the current market price, without wanting to set a specific limit for it to automatically sell when the market price reaches that limit. Select how much you want to sell. I clicked on 100% because I want to sell all my 3 available EGLD, and hit the big red Sell EGLD button. Now you should instantly have the transaction completed and see your USDT in your spot wallet. Now let's convert the stablecoin USDT into a fiat currency. We go to withdrawal. Without selecting anything here, we click on withdrawal and here you want to make sure that at the top of the screen it says sell USDT, not buy USDT. Click on the little exchange arrow on the right and here I choose to withdraw from USDT into euros. Select your desired amount. I will exchange 500 USDT into the equivalent in euros. Hit confirm and it's done. I can see my euro in the spot tab. Now let's cash out of Binance. I find it easier to do it from the desktop, so I log in into Binance from browser by scanning the QR code with my phone, which is already logged in. Once you're logged in, from the Wallet tab in the upper right section, click on Fiat and Spot. Here in the Fiat balance, you will see your euros. You want to click on Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw into your bank account, then click Continue. This screen will pop up, and even if it says the funds will arrive within 3 business days, you will get them right away. After you click confirm, you will have to do the security verification and that's it. It arrived almost instantly into my Revolut account. From here, you can safely transfer your money to your main bank card or use them directly from Revolut. Of course, you could also send the money from Binance directly to your bank account. It's not mandatory to go through Revolut, but I did it because it's faster like that. If you are not yet on Revolut, feel free to sign up using my link in the description. So that should make it for this video, guys. The whole thing took me like 20 minutes to finalize, with the transaction times included. The same process applies if you have your EGLD into the Maiar app. I hope you could learn step by step how to withdraw your EGLD from your web wallet or Maiar app into Binance and then cash out to your bank account. Thanks for watching, like this video, save it for later and share it with your friends so you can all prepare in advance and know what to do for the next all-time high of EGLD to take some profits. See you next time.